So, hello everyone. My name is Vipin Singh Tomar. I am a student of 8th semester pursuing Bachelor of Technology from Sagar Institute of Technology, Gandhinagar, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, in a specialization of mechanical. This is the video demonstration of my major project titled Improvement of Heat Dissipation Rate of Air-Cooled Cold Store Sparkling Engine. So, starting from the very basics, the heat dissipation. What is the heat dissipation rate? The rate of heat flow, the amount of heat that is transferred per unit of time in some material, in some different material. That is unit of heat dissipation. The very one of the major issue in the air-cooled cold storage sparkling engine is when the temperature increases. When the high temperature approaches the engine cylinder, it reduces the strength of the piston and the piston, and uneven expansion of the cylinder and piston may cause the seizure of the piston. If the temperature around the valve exceeds 250 degrees Celsius, the overheating of the valve may cause the escape of the valve, guiding due to the lubricating breakdown. And due to the increases in temperature, may cause the winding of valves and valve leaks. And also the high temperature also get the detonations, and the pre-ignition of the charge is also possible due to the higher temperature. So it is much needed to solve the heat dissipation rate or to improve the heat dissipation rate of the air-cooled cold storage sparkling. So basically, I found one of the design failure of the air-cooled engine. So we provided the different cooling systems such as the air-cooled engine, water cooling system, forced pump system, and the cooling with thermostatic regulators, evaporating cooling system. So basically, we are talking about the air cooling system. In the air cooling system, to cool the engine, we provided the fins. So when the fins, when the air contact with the fins, and the air takes the heat from the engine fins to the outer atmosphere. So due to the less contact of the air to the fins, it takes the less amount of heat from the engine. So the air does not take the heat at the good amount. So if the air takes so much time between the fins, then it takes the much air as compared to the good. So starting from the very basics idea, we provided the engine fins with the rubber blocks. So when we using the rubber blocks, the air spends so much time contact with the fins at the so much time, so that it takes the more heat with the contact of the fins and release the heat to the outer atmosphere, and providing the good heat dissipation rate of the cold storage air-cooled sparkling engine. So here is to achieve that temperature, we make a setup in which we uses the blower and the regulator and the engine blocks. And here you can also see the rubber blocks we had used. So by using the rubber blocks, we found out firstly we make the setup. The setup consists of an engine block, and in the engine block we fill the engine block with the lubricated oil and heated it to the 70 degrees Celsius, and the atmospheric temperature at that time is 20 degrees Celsius, and we see that after heated the engine temperature achieves to the 70 degrees Celsius, and with the help of the blower, as the bike or the vehicle moves in the forward direction, the air comes to the contact with the fins. The contact of the air with the fins, it takes the heat, so it out. Using the rubber blocks, it takes less time. It takes approximately 56 minutes it takes approximately 56 minutes, while in normal condition it takes 75 minutes. So, due to this condition, we found a conclusion about it that it takes a less amount of time and come to the normal conditions, meaning that at the room temperature. To come at the room temperature, it takes a less time. It takes 56 minutes, and at the normal condition, mean when we're not using the rubber blocks, it takes a higher time. It's approximately 75 minutes, and due to that, we say that the heat dissipation rate of the air cooling process is improved when we're using anything within the fence, for example, the rubber block. And it can also be used when heat transfer is required and have space constraint. Okay. And it can be used only for the air cooled engines. Heat dissipation rate is increased, so better options of engine can be found.